What? Yeah. Where I'm at. Good one. Good one.
Huh?
Good one. I got it. There we go. Alright, son. Get a picture of that one.
He was right by the boat, wasn't he?
But yeah, it was. Nice. Probably a good 18. Yep, right on 18. Want to throw the live well on? Paused it. I was reeling it, I just paused it. Pulling your drag. Oh, that was a good one. Real good. Oh.
Yeah. What's that? Spit it out, man.
There you go.
Slippery, man. Slippery.
Grab him like a man.
There it is. Yep. Wow. You get that on camera?
Yep.
Yep. Wow. You get that on camera?
Yep. Oh. It's all right. No? Oh, that's gonna be a short for sure. You know how YouTube's got their shorts? Oh, that's gonna be a short for sure.
What's a short though?
They're like 20-second long videos on YouTube. Oh yeah, I haven't made one yet, so that's gonna be the first one. Oh, shit, that motherfucker torpedoed off the damn deck.
As soon as it hit the water.
As soon as it hit the water?
Yeah, he was gone.
Alright. I don't know what them boys are doing over there, man, because they're all over here. Well, at least we're pointed into it.
Huh?
We're pointed into it at least.
Slow down. How about you get all the small ones out?
Just get them out the way.
I'll follow them back
Oh, we spit it. Don't get too Don't get too close. All right, that's close enough. That's just how you hold your mouth. I just need, I need you up here so I can catch them. Oh, it seems like I'm catching one up here.
My face. Now I'm all wet now.
Well, at least you can say you caught something.
No way.
2 to 4 foot mirrodine though. Because the ones we got are relatively shallow, like 2 to 4. I mean, they might look up at it and be like, hey, I hit that. You're just slow dragging where you can feel the bottom, a little twitch, pause. Yeah? There we go, we got a little double up here. There we go. We got twins. Oh, there he goes.